hostel. We just arrived. We're in Hong Kong. Oh my god. Let's look at it. Let's just see here. Yeah, you're thinking, no, but this is just a mirror because behind the beautiful toilet. Beautiful big toilet. Not even, it's not dirty. It's not dirty or anything. It's just beautiful. And also wet. Because somebody just been using it. And here, there is a bed with a lot of shit on. Of course, my wife is not part of that. Oh, is she? Oh, yeah, that's my bed. Is she clean? But I don't know if you can imagine how big the room is. But this, the camera is actually at the bed.
I think it's, you know, when I do this, oh my arms, I think
it is 5 square meters. 6 maybe, including the bedroom. But then I found something very nice. The do not disturb sign. Or make up my room or whatever. It's leather. Bendable. And it's nice. And it's like pretty good quality, I will say. Anything else fucking sucks.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. What's the Tagalog when you just woke up?
Is it tie-dye? Just woke up.
Kakagising na. Kakagising lang namin guys, and yeah. So this is the place. It's so small and it's so weird in a way because yung sa pag-book namin, yung name ng hostel nila is UK Deluxe Hostel. Tapos pagdating namin dito, ang name is Hostel HK, like Hong Kong, something like that. So anyway, andito kami and we're just gonna stay for one night. Okay na din kasi matutulog lang din naman. So it's very cheap. And the funny story guys is that yung binayad namin is, are we talking about kroner or dollars? 88.
Oh.
Okay. So 88 kroner yung binayad namin for one night.
You could also just say 100 Hong Kong dollars.
No.
And
No, I will tell that later. So, it was so funny. Anyway, nandito kami sa Chongqing Mansion. And then, this building, makikita nyo, sobrang daming sa baba. Hindi mo akalaing nasa Hong Kong. Kapag kapasok mo ng Chongqing Mansion, parang nasa India ka na or Pakistan kasi halos lahat ng tao mga ganun yung mga pagmumukha. And then, sa elevator, sobrang ang taas ng line. And napakaliit ng elevator, guys. Pero okay lang din naman. It's an experience. Tapos, nasa 3rd floor kami. Pagkapunta namin ng 3rd floor, so hinanap na namin. Pero wala kami makita. Asa na ba dito yung UK Deluxe? Ganon. Tapos, nagpunta kami parang receptionist nila. Tapos, yung receptionist, sabi, oh, you are in the right place. Ganon, alam mo yung English dito, hindi din masyadong ano. Tapos, sabi, oh, you're too early, 2 p.m. Para mga 11 kami dumating. Sabi niya, oh, you're too early. Dapat mga 2 p.m. pa ang check-in. Tapos sabi ng asawa ko, oh, pwede na ba? Kasi we're so tired, we've been in a long flight. And sabi niya, pwede naman. Pero, like, pwede naman, pero i-upgrade daw yung yung room. Guys, upgraded na tong room na to, ha? So, sabi niya, magkano? Sabi niya, 100 Hong Kong dollars. So, yun ko, around, mga 88 kroner din yan sa Denmark. So, sabi ko sa asawa ko, sige, go for it na kasi sobra nakakapagod. Gusto ko na talagang, nasa kwarto na. Tapos, sabi niya, okay, tamang-tama daw kasi napakalaki ng asawa ko. Yung yung binook namin na room, hindi daw magkakasya yung asawa ko. Sabi ko, okay, so we try. And then we got in here. Makikita nyo guys, ang room walang window. Na parang pagkapasok mo talaga, yung feeling mo parang nasa coffin ka. Kasi walang window talaga. Ganito lang yung walls. Ganyan. Puro ganyan lang. And then, yun nga, yung asawa ko, gumawa ng vlog kanina. Tapos, nakakatawa nga. Hindi masyadong malinis. Tapos, pinabayad din kami ng service charge na 6 Hong Kong dollars. Pero yung nakapunta na kami dito ng Chongqing Mansion, pero ibang naman yun, ibang hostel naman yun. Pero yung hostel na yun is parang sobrang, mga ganito kaliit din, pero sobrang linis, tapos may window, tapos feel mo talaga na parang malinis siya, mabango, pero dito pagkapasok mo, amoy na amoy talaga yung parang, amoy na amoy talaga yung mga dating visitors na napunta dito. Tapos yung pillow ko may may ang tawag diyan, parang may mark pa, saliva ata ito ng iba. Ewan ko ba? Tingnan nyo guys. Asa na ba yun? O syempre, oh shit. See? Kita ba? Ay, hindi na makita. Hindi masyadong kita. Pero anyway, may mark dyan. And then sa toilet, may cockroach din. Natatawa na lang talaga ako. Pero anyway, okay lang. Ganyan talaga. Na-enjoy ko naman yung tulog ko. Tapos natatawa ko kasi while we were sleeping here, rinig mo talaga yung mga visitors na dumadating. Tapos yung mga complain nila, lang, ang liit ng room, kailangan pala mag-upgrade para, kasi yung room na yung pang normal room dito, parang sobra, parang half lang ata ng size na nandito kami. And then, yung bed is double deck. So, yun, natatawa na lang talaga ako. Pero anyway, it's an experience. Welcome to Hong Kong, our first night here, and then as obvious, right? We just walk up, and then a bit later we're gonna go out finding some food, and I think we're gonna end up in McDonald's because my husband does wanna protect his tummy. He thinks the safest place to eat here near the area is McDonald's or 7-Eleven or something like that. Ayaw naman naming mag-walk talaga ng sobrang malayo kasi nga we've been flying for 15 hours na. Yeah, 15 hours. So, yun na guys. See you later.